Hello, in this video we are going to take yeah, and what you can do, you can use the essentially half of each register to represent a 16-bit register instead. So you just get AX, BX, CX. So forth. The reason you would potentially want to do this is depending on the actual data that you are storing. You might not need a 32-bit register. Again, if you do 2 to the power of 8, you can store a value of up to 256 in there. So if you're storing a number and it's only the number 5, for example, there's no point storing it in a whole 32-bit register. That's just not an efficient use of the space available in the registers on the CPU. So that's essentially the way you can use the registers. So what about these different registers right? You know, it stores the count almost like the index. And DX, the final one, is known as the data register, and it can also be used for input and output, and it can also be used with the accumulator register to multiply and divide operations that involve large values. So if you need to have larger values, then one of the 32-bit registers can handle